Well, they're gonna be a little shitty tonight. Gotta mix the dogs up some potion. The dog food potion. When it get cold, you gotta do a little extra. That Arctic blizzard coming. All y'all with the little old bitty ass dog, you better go get that little bitch a sweater. Go get that whole pullover to cold. Gonna be cold in the mother. Don't think you gonna have that damn dog out there. Just in no dog house. No shaving. Shit, when you come out there that morning, you gonna be eyes sick, eyes pop sick, a dog sick. Real blunt. Rice, noodles, beef broth, chicken stock, turkey, deer bone, deer meat, chicken, brown beef, a little bit of everything in there. It's gonna get real cold, so you're gonna want something that's gonna stick to their ribs pretty good. Look, bell pepper, they gotta have a little shit in it.